Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube shorts video in full details. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos and interesting videos on this channel. So to use the YouTube shorts, first of all I would like to say you it's a type of video that you can just shoot a video in just 15 to 30 seconds. So it's basically like a TikTok or reels in Instagram. It's something like that. So what you have to do here, it's I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you to my phone screen and I'm going to show you how you can use that. And if you didn't got the feature YouTube short, then no need to worry. I'm going to show you in this video how to get this also. So let's begin on my phone screen. So now to start a video, what you have to do here, I'm gonna show you in this video. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store, and then here you just need to search for YouTube. So after searching for YouTube here, make sure to update your YouTube. So after updating your YouTube, here you have to go back and open your YouTube application, and then after opening your YouTube application, here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, you have to simply tap on this plus icon on the bottom. So simply you need to tap here, and then here you will find one option that is create short. So to create a short video here on YouTube, what you need to do here, simply tap on this. Simple. If you didn't get the feature, you just uninstall your YouTube application and then reinstall it. It will be solved. So just click on this next option here, and then you can see here it's done, YouTube short. So just click on upload and then it will be uploaded. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.